Hey guys, welcome to another video, and today I'm showing you my new bags. I just bought these Saddlebags for on the Rebel. They are custom made here in Thailand and they are extremely cheap. If you want some similar to this, you can buy them online from the Facebook page I will let here below in the description, TT Motorbike Touring. And as you can see, they are custom made. I choose the color, I choose the style. This small shop here in Thailand custom made bags, and basically you can choose the style and the colors that you like. And I choose this color, black and orange. I bought one for the left, one for the right. The right one is this one, is a little bit smaller because of the stock exhaust. I asked this one to be, now I'm not sure if it's 20 liters or 15 liters, but I'll let everything in the description. I believe they are the cheapest bags you can find, cheapest pannier or saddlebags you can find for Rebel 1100, and the mount I believe is one of the cheapest too in the market. So I'm going to install them. I will fulfill them with something just for you guys see how it look like if we are in a trip. You don't need to buy the full set, you can buy one for the left, one for the right if you want. You can buy just one for the left or one for the right. The mount is basically the same, and this mount costs around 1,500 baht. Is much less than $50, much cheaper than the original ones, than the stock ones. And as you can see, stock no, I mean the aftermarket from Honda. These come with 4 bolts as well, so you don't need to worry about anything. Have the spacers, have everything you need. You just install this. As you guys can see, we look like this from the back, from the sides. Look at the size of these guys. It's the first time I use this kind of straps, so I'm not sure if I did this correctly or not, but they look locked. But look the size of this bag. You can carry all of your life inside it. You can see more or less the size. So this is the right side. As you can see, I can push it a little bit more. Okay, I still need to figure out how to connect this better, but you see this is the stock exhaust. You have basically and down here. And I need to attach this a little bit better. It's the first time I use this kind of straps. Or straps, right? I think you call straps. It's the first time I use this kind of straps, so I'm still using to it, or to connect this in a better way, to don't move. But you can see it's pretty big. Let's install the other side. Good quality, well painted. Okay, and this side then, from the back, you have a little space here, no space here. You still can install the top case, I will try later. Okay. Yeah. Let's fulfill these bags. Check what it looks like. And this is the right side. Let's see the left side now. I believe this is extremely simple, but when you do something for the first time in your life, sometimes take a little bit of time. Okay, look like this one. Okay, this one much faster. Okay, it's tight. Okay, pretty full. You guys can see I fulfill this with a little plastic overlay for motorcycle just to make it full. Goes like this. 1, wait, and 2. Strap. Just one more time. Okay. This takes a little bit of time, but it's the first time I'm doing, so I believe you can do it much faster than me if you have more experience using this kind of straps. Okay, this side adjusted. Not another side. And done. Everything adjusted. And this is how the rebel look from the back. This is how it look from the side. Now let's make a quick ride to the beach. I will show you guys how it look like and how it feels. They look extremely resistant.